I'm Hannah, an illustrator based in Western Australia. Join me for the first class in my bite-sized botanicals series. Heritage carrots come in all sorts of wonderful colours and they're just crying out to be painted. This beginner's class is bite-sized so that you can digest it in your lunch break, after dinner or while the baby's sleeping. We'll be covering some fun colour mixing techniques to make your paintings more cohesive, and you'll be able to paint along with me as we paint this wonderful bunch of veggies. This project is perfect for the kitchen wall, a housewarming gift or a thank you card. You don't need any special materials, just some watercolour paper, a brush or two and some watercolour paints. Let's dive in.